Hello my student, grade 1, how are you? Today we'll explain topic number 5 from Revision Maths, work with addition and subtraction equations. Lesson number 1, after this revision. Review what you know. Vocabulary, circle at the distance here, 4 plus 5 equal 9, and distance here will be 4 and 5. The related factor here is 2 equal 10, help me to find the answer. 10 minus 8 equal 2. Then 2 plus 8 equal 10. We call it related fact. Circle the number that will complete fact family. 3 plus what equal 10. 3 plus 7 equal 10. 7 plus 3 equal 10. We have 10 here. Subtract by 3. The result will be 7. Okay, then the answer here will be 7. Next, what is the equation? Squirrels are around 5 are eating prawns. How many squirrels are not eating prawns? We can write 8 minus 5 equal 3. The answer will be 3. Brett has 5 markers. Pablo has 3 markers. How many more markers does Brett have than Pablo? We can find the difference. 5 minus 3 equal 2. Right, the related subtraction factor is 9 equal 4 plus 5. 9 minus 5 equal 4. The order of the factors may vary. Lesson number 5, lesson number 1, topic 5. Okay. Find the unknown number. You can find the unknown number in equation. You can also make math arguments. 7 plus what equals 13? Count your hand. Just after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then we have 6 fingers. Okay, 6 fingers. 7 plus 6 equals 13. You can do this just after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The number will be, all digits will be 6 more. Okay, you can write, 13 minus 7 equals 6, then 6 plus 7 equals 13, 214. Missing the number here. 4 plus what equal 9? Count from 4 to 9. Just after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 4 plus 5 equal 9. Then simple answer here. I know 5 plus 4 equal 9. So 5 is the missing number here. 14 cancelled from it. 7, it will be 7. 4 plus what equal 12? Count just after 4, 5. Count your hand. Okay, count from 8 to 12. Just after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you have 8 fingers. 8 fingers, the number will be 8. 4 plus 8 equal 12. Next question. Draw contrast to choose your work. About 17 minus what? 9 minus, what is the number here? We won't find the median. Median 17. 17 minus 9 equal 8. If you won't find the median, you must subtract the difference. 9 plus 9 in your hand, or 9 in your head, and 8 in your hand. Just after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And here 8 plus 3 just after 8, 11, 12, just after 8, 9, 10, 11. Then 8 plus 3 equal 11. 6 plus what equal 12? Just after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 plus 6 equal 12. 8 plus what equal 15? Just after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then the result will be 7. 14 minus what equals 6? Just after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 18 plus 6 equal 14. And here 11 minus 8 just after 8, 9, 10, 11. Then 11 minus 8 equal 3. Look at next question. 9 plus what equal 10? 19 minus 9 equal 10. 9 plus 10 equal 19. 20, 10 plus 10. Then 20 minus 10 equal 10. 19 minus 10 equal 9. Next question. Solve the problems here. 13 minus 7 equals 6. Count from 7 to 6. Just after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The result will be 7. 13 minus 7 equals 6. Here 11, we know 11 equal 4 plus what? 4 plus 7. Just after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then the result will be 4. Thinking now about missing number. 17 minus 7 equal 10. 6 plus 6 equal 12. 4 plus 9 is 13. 10 minus, we have 8. We can write here the number 2 plus 1 3. We have here 3. 3 minus 1 equal 2. 5 plus 1 equal 14. We can count from 5 to 14. Then the result will be 9. 9. Here's the example. He has 5 apples. He pays some more. Now he has 14 apples. How many apples did Billy buy? Billy bought 9 apples because 5 plus 9 equal 14. Next lesson here, you can explain true or false about the equations. You can understand the equal sign means has the same as the value to be equal to. What is the equation? Equation relation between two expressions using sign equal to between them. This sign equal to, like 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then it is the equation. Okay. An equation is true if both sides are equal. Circle the equation true here and show your think so. Okay. Look at this example. 7 minus 6 equal 5. It's true. Circle here true. 5 plus 6 equals 6 plus 5. 7 equals 7. 4 plus 5 equal 8. Oh, it's false. 9 plus 2 equal 11. It's true. Last one. We can check the answer correct like this. Do we circle about correct answer? H, we have 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 equal 9 minus 3. True or false? False, because 9 minus 3 equals 6. Look at here about the steps. About this example. 5 plus 2. Just after 5, 6, 7. And 9 minus 3 equals 6. They not equal to. And what about 7? Equal 8 minus 1. It's true. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Next question. Check the answer true or false like this. 5 plus 5 equal 10. 6 plus 4 equal 10. It's true. 9 equal 9 minus 1. No, false, because 9 minus 1 equal 8. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And 11 minus 8. Just after 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 8 equal 3. Then it's false, not correct. It's not correct, okay? Next question. 13 minus 4 and 15 minus 6. 13 minus 4 we can write before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. The answer here will be 9. 15 minus 6 we can cancel just after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the result will be 9. Then it will be correct, right? Equal to 7 plus 7 equal 14. And 12 minus 5 just after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It will be 7. That it will be not equal to. It's false. Is 10 plus 8 equal 9 plus 9 true? Because 9 plus 9 equal 18. And 10 plus 8 equal 18. 10 plus 3 and 10 plus 2 equal to or not? We know 7 plus 3 equal 10 and 10 plus 2 equal 12. Then we not correct. Six plus 8 and 8 plus 6, they are equal to. 4 plus 2 and 6 plus 1. 4 plus 2 not equal to 6 plus 1 because 6 plus 1 7 and 4 plus 2 equals 6. Next question. We have shown paper airplanes. Look at here. There minus 1 equal 5 plus 2. Yes. Minus 1 7. And 5 plus 2 7. They are equivalent. 4 plus 3 equal 7. 7 plus 1 equal 8. 6 plus 6 equal 12. And 8 plus 3 11. We must choose the false. He tell me the false answer. And here 4 plus 2 6 and 5 plus 1 equal 6. If I take 1 from 5 and put it with 1 from left hand side is 4 plus 2 and 4 plus 2 equal 4 plus 2. Are equality.